Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the window, power, rear sliding seats, front bucket, GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.08 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, wheels, 4 18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, convenience package, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R 18 off-road, Blackwall, rear-view camera system, LPO, chrome grille, license plate bracket, front, LPO, chrome package and the suspension package. Off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.